Let's install the OpenJDK Java 21. So you have to go on the Google and search for OpenJDK. And why we are installing OpenJDK instead of JDK, that I will cover in a separate video, which you will find in the description of this. So once you search, you have to scroll down and search, click on the Adoptium home. So Adoptium is like pre-built OpenJDK binaries, so given by Eclipse. So you have to just scroll down on the home page and you will see the download Temurin and others download. So we are not going to install 25. So click on the others download. And once you click there, you will able to see like there are many versions of the JDK available. And we are interested in JDK 21. So click on that, and based on your operating system, you have to download. So I download for Windows, and if you see that download has been started. Oh yeah. So yeah, download is completed now. Now you have to it will be there in your downloads section. So go in the downloads and you see that file is there, .msi extension file is there. You have to double click on that. It will say like preparing to install. Then you have to click on the next and accept the license and agreement here. Once that is done, install for all user and next install, click on install. Then you will ask for the administration, accept that one. Now it will start to install properly. And if you see, the progress is happening there. Now you have to click on the finish. Now let's go to the installed path. So you have to go in the C drive, and you have to let me click on the C drive, then program files, then Java JDK 21, and this path you have to copy it, which we have to configure as an environment variable. So open the environment variable first here. Okay, so click on the environment variables, and if you see, I have the Java home one variable is there. I'm just going to replace that one. And we have to check the path as well. So path, as you can see, the default is already added 21, but we have to remove that one. I have removed it, and bean is already set up there. So click on OK. And now let's verify. Open the CMD, and if you see that Java hyphen version, then Java C hyphen version. So if you see the OpenJDK version 21.0.12 installed, and runtime environment is Temurin 21.0.12. So Java C hyphen version is also 21.0.12. Thank you.